Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add clickable link in PDF online. This is a very useful skill if you want people to be able to easily access more information with a single click. Adding links can really improve the experience. So first we're going to go to canva.com. Here we're going to go to create a design and import field. Here I have mine, this is a random menu. And then on the upper part you will see importing your file. Now we're going to go down and there we're going to find our PDF. Let's click on it and a new window will open. Now we have our PDF ready to be edited. Here you can fix it if you want. You can make it a little bit bigger or smaller, it's up to you. Now on the left part we're going to click on test and then we're going to click on add a heading. You can fit this as you want to and put it where you think is better on your PDF. And now we're going to edit the text. You can put your social media, websites. Like here, I'm going to put the Instagram link. If you have a personal page, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, the important thing is that you copy the exact link of the page that you want to show to the people when they click. You're going to select the text that you have, in this case Instagram, and this link icon will appear. Here we have to paste the link we're going to use. When you have it ready, you're going to click on done. Then you're going to click on done again and it will be ready. So now we're going to see if it works and we're going to download our PDF. On the right upper part, we're going to click on share and then download. Here on file type, you're going to choose PDF standard. And when you have it ready, you're going to click on download. It might take a few seconds, so you will have to wait a little bit. And when it's ready, it's going to let you know. Now we're going to open our new PDF and it has the link ready. So when the people click on it, it's going to take them to the page. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!